Hey there, this is Mark Smith from Mark and Mary Smith, your St. George real estate specialists at Red Rock Real Estate. And today I'm holding an open house at 1883 South, 2700 East Circle in the wonderful community of Serenity Hills. This home is amazing. Let's take a quick look. It is over 4,400 square feet. There are 7 bedrooms and 4.5 bathrooms. Upstairs there are 3 bedrooms and 3 bathrooms, and that's including the master suite. Again, every room in here has just custom details. They're amazing. As we look around here, there's that bathroom and bedroom to the right, but let's take a look at my favorite part of the house, which is the gathering area upstairs. There is a gourmet kitchen with custom cabinets and professional appliances. There are great views of the Red Rocks to the east from upstairs. And look at this fireplace. This fireplace is just absolutely amazing. This home, again, we're holding it open from 10:30 to 1:30 today. And if you can't make it down here, that's all right. We can set you up with a private showing at your convenience. So if you can get down here today, that'd be great. I look forward to seeing you.